Yo, how we doing? How we doing? Tuesday's here. Hope you're all doing good. Right. Good news on the CPI then, eh? Good news on the CPI. Taco, how you doing, mate? Nice and early today. Nice and early. So it's good news on the CPI. Basically coming in as expected. Nothing scary. I was a little bit concerned about it. But this is, I think, really the last major one until the rate cut. And yeah, it's coming in as expected. Still not majorly higher or anything, so should be all good for a rate cut. We will see. We will see. Obviously, market reacted very bullishly from it, and I think we're going to be hitting all-time highs today, I think. My personal opinion. Definitely on the Nasdaq. Get an actual line out. Not yellow. What colour should we have it? Big green. No trade so far for me today. Resistance to the left. July 31st. July. Yes. What, this little zone here? Yeah. I think, though, to be honest, we would probably get through, I think. But see how we open. You never know in news, do you? It can do the complete opposite of what you would expect. So I'm expecting bullish, but I'm happy to go any direction with it, really. Well, let's sort of pole out. Let's sort of pole out. I've got my chat on the right today. So that'll take me a little bit to get used to. Bias for this session. Bullish. What am I doing? I'm doing it all differently. Short, long, shop. I'm sure last time we had the CPI on the Tuesday, because CPI is normally on a Wednesday. Is it just me, or is that suddenly changing it? It's always been on the Wednesday as far as I can remember, most of the time. The last 2 times it's been on a Tuesday, I think. So yeah, rather than getting the choppy Tuesday, we've had a choppy Monday. And then Tuesdays tend to be right if we have the CPI on that day, so. We'll see how we go, see how we go. Trade ideas, I'm liking the look of. Previous day point of control might not be a bad trade, but I think it will be pretty instant off the once we open. Potentially Asia open if we get down there, but we shall see how we go. See how we go. Right, we've got 1 minute. Get a little volume profile sorted out. Obviously, yeah, we've got current day point of control down here as well. So, yeah, retrace into this to current day point of control to Asia open. Could get a nice long opportunity from there. Yeah, okay, man. Won't be on the stream today. No, I'm blowing accounts and it's too hot. Hope everyone smashed it. Cheers, K-man. Enjoy your day, man. Go and enjoy the sun. I have to be honest, I think it's too hot to enjoy. Too hot to enjoy. Even the cat's too hot, so it must be hot. Right, we're open. I'd really like to get rid of this, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. Right. Off to get a fresh fade. You meeting Lewis, sir? Oh no, that's Taper, wasn't it? Taper was what he was calling it. Enjoy your haircut, man. Couldn't think of anything worse than sitting in the barbers on a day like today. Fucking with a gown over you. Yeah, Taper. Never heard anything so stupid. Taper. Oh, bit of a mixed results on that poll. 3 votes. And, yeah, 1 of each. NQ sending off a little bit. Right, we don't have any more news to worry about today. So we're all in the clear for that. Just get a financial juice up. To that, pal. Have a good one. Have a good one. Leo, how you doing, mate? How you doing? Hope you're doing good. Your trading been going out? Going out. Your trading been going alright, Leo? Haven't caught up with you really in a few days or a few weeks, maybe. Hope you're green though, man. Liverpool and Open, really. It's going good, taking it slow. Build accounts, that's good, man, that's good. Good way to do it, nice and slow. So we're getting a little reaction from the previous day value high. Sloth, how you doing, man? How have you been? How have you been? %50 reckon long. Then I'm going with the long bias today. Good man, taking it slow, trading daily or trying to. It worked out if don't trade if your mind is elsewhere. Are you doing work yet? Yeah, it's definitely a mistake I've made before. Trying to trade when I'm at work or from my phone or shit like that. If you've got other stuff going on, unless you can sort of really keep your eye on it and really manage it, I don't think it's worth it. Especially if you're literally just taking a quick glance at the charts and seeing something you like. Then executing off that, there's a high chance that you've missed something. I definitely have before. But as soon as you went, you might see it afterwards and you think, oh fuck, then you stay in and then it ends up being a loss. And right, if we do push up, yeah, I haven't really got any levels any higher up. If we just keep going up, it's going to be one of them days, I think. I've got some like stress ball stuff for my birthday. That one. Not that I get overly like too stressed, but just something to do with your hands, isn't it? Just I get a bit fidgety. So Nasdaq has pushed through previous day value area high. Seems to be respecting it at the minute. Yeah, Nasdaq isn't far from all-time highs at all. Talking 60 points from current price. Oh, bloody sweating already. Bit of a struggle at the CPI high. There's not really been anything that I've liked this morning. I was liking the a short previous day point of control, but we just didn't get up there. Obviously, I wasn't going to take it during the CPI, of course, but yeah, I had an order set up most of the morning. Cancelled it around 11 AM UK time. ETH has been pushing up this morning. Well, pushing up since the CPI news. Yeah, ETH up 3.5% today. Not far from all-time highs, I don't think, ETH. $4,868 and we're at $4,400, so yeah, another $400. Yeah, I'd like to get a bit more of a pullback if we can. Like the idea of previous day putting control long if we get down there. Just don't know if we will. Give it one of them days where we just go straight up. Goes off without us, or without me at least. Whoa. Go, bit of a sell off now. Nasdaq's just tap point of control, previous day point of control. Not been any news I can see. That's a big fucking candle, man. I've set up my position tool for that short this time my bro wanted to short. Move so quick, it got there before you, mate, before you could even before you can press the button. That was a fucking move, wasn't it? $55.1 minute candle on the Nasdaq. $16 point on the ES. You got a bit of oomph in the market now. Minute broke and I was waiting for the retest of the weight to the left. Then I entered, but just went straight to take profit. Yeah, didn't hang about. Alright, here we go. This is why Trump, I am considering allowing a major lawsuit against Powell. How do we know it'd be something to do with him? Yeah, Trump saying he's wanted to allow a lawsuit against Powell, the bromance. I'm sure he waits to market open to get going with whatever he's got to say for the day. What's the lawsuit gonna do? Like, there's no way he can prove that Powell is doing anything he shouldn't be doing, unless it's something to do with data or something. But even then, I don't know if Powell has any control over what data is released. Literally just fucking chatting shit for the fun of it. Stop rationalizing what Trump says. I'm not trying. I'm just trying to, like, why is he even, like, there's no way he's going to be able to sue him. Like, what's the point of even him speaking? Have you learned nothing? Obviously not. I suppose I just try and, yeah, logically sort of think what the fucking point is, but it's just because he's Trump, innit, I suppose. Sooner allowed a major lawsuit against Power to proceed because of the horrible and grossly incompetent job he's done managing the construction of the Fed the Fed building. It's not even about rates. I think the CPI numbers better, so he thinks rates should probably be dropping. How not cut rates, dude? He will fight Trump until the end. I said about the Fed building, yeah. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, I'm thinking of getting out of all my positions September before the rate cut decision, because I think, one, there's a good chance that he's going to say, no, I'm still not cutting, still not lowering the rates. And two, even if he does, I feel like it could quite easily be a sell the news. Price would be priced in that it's going to they're going to be cutting rates, and I feel like, yeah, we could be due a sell-off before, or as rates drop, or as a decision hits at least. So yeah, I'm feeling for, like, yeah, long-term positions. I'm feeling like selling, closing them all out in September. I think we'll probably, it could just be a short-term drop, but then potentially continue running for the rest of the year. But for me, like, the risk is too great, and I want to be out in September. That's what I'm leaning towards anyway. Solly, yo man, how you doing? Shit, I just realised we got a tap of the previous day point of control and I wasn't even paying attention. To be honest, I don't know if I'd wanted to have taken it because it was a bit intense. Would have been a winner. Would have been a winner, but yeah, reacting off of news. It was a very quick drop down, could have quite easily blasted through, so. Market's pricing in this rate cut yet. Running market drops after that cut, short term, yeah, agreed, yeah. Exactly what I'm thinking of. It's already going to be priced in. If they cut or not, I feel like we're going to get at least a short term sell off. Yeah, like for me, like I feel like we're probably going to be only going to be running towards until the end of the year anyway. Risk is too much for me to want to be trying to hold to the end of the year. September isn't normally great, I don't think, anyway, for stocks and stuff. Good mate, caught that last short on the Express Fund, did up 400. Nice, man, nice. Have you taken any trades today? No, mate, nothing so far. Nothing so far. Was eyeing up the previous day, point of control, fucking hell, I can't even speak. Point of control long. With how, I mean, I wasn't paying attention, to be honest. I was looking at the other screen. But with how quickly we come down, I don't think I'd have been keen to take it anyway. Would have been only a couple of ticks from the stop loss. Would have been a winner, but pitch ass market we're trading in this crash on a fucking Trump gossip tweet. What are we doing? I know, man. That's why I can't bear like, situations like this. Is this just a brief pullback from that fucking news, or is it decision made for the day? I just can't see it being a sell-off kind of day, but. Is the Trump news big? Oh, no, not really, man. Unless he said anything else. Just talking about suing Powell over the how he's run the Powell building, the Fed building, the Powell building. 2025 and Trump's bitch ass tweets still crashing the markets. Lewis, how you doing, man? How you doing? How are we all? You just can't keep away, can you? Hope you're doing good, man. How's your social media detox going?
This is the best of me.
Here we go. Is a drop? Is a drop? Where are we dropping to? Though? That's the question. I like to come in on no trade days when my days are finished, but no socials are beautiful. Yeah, man. I don't blame you. I don't blame you in the slightest. Anticipated none of this. That's alright, mate. That's alright. Doesn't matter. I'm still not convinced on the short moves, to be honest. In fact, I put in a little limit buy at the previous day value low. Do I want it there? Yeah, I think I want it there. That guy made some comment. Yeah, I saw that. I think that's the reason it's crashing. Didn't realise there was a Fed speaker speaking today. Live day coming up on NQ. Yes, I think we've just taken low, don't we? Yeah. Took a nice 55 points from this. Locked up 979. Nice, Lewis, man. Cracking day. You're smashing it, man, aren't you? Absolutely smashing it. Yeah, I don't hate the idea of the coming back to previous day value or low. It would be the news candle open as well, wouldn't it? I don't know if we'll get there. It looks like we're respecting the point of control, to be honest. Gonna catch the buyers now. Good luck, Taco. Good luck if you're buying. So, how you doing, mate? How you doing? Hope you're doing good. How's the last few sessions been for you? I'll check out your shots weekends if I can find anything. Not too bad. What am I doing this week? This week I'm up 1 hour on the funded. I haven't been. I'm up similar, I think, on the challenge account. I think I've taken every trade on the challenge account. Yeah, last week was basically a break-even week for me, and yeah, this week I'm up so far. So yeah, it's not too bad, not too bad. What do you reckon then? Do you reckon that's lower day that we've just made? Or we're still not done? Let's see swap reaction. What's the swap reaction? This is to a suck. Let's calculate. 100 this, which will grab capital, settle down for the week. Yeah, we're back up into the middle of the range now, really, aren't we? Oh, VWAP. Typo. I thought it was some technical term, Lewis. Swap reaction. Anton already hit with the fat man. Yeah, we've fucking gone, haven't we? We were gone. Not looking likely that my order's going to be filled. New course 2025 swap reactions. Yeah, don't give ICT any ideas, guys. That'll be his new 2026 mentorship plan. I've my strats at 55 points of profit. Stop loss around 77 points and still valid. Nice, man. He's buying his 799 and he'll be a full-time trade. His 2 pages created on Copilot. And a 1 minute close lower. I'll just wait more and stop looking for a little bit. So don't think about it. That's good way to do, good way to think taco. Especially if you've just missed a few entries. If you've missed a few entries, you'll see you'll be able to see all sorts of possible trades. Normally how it goes. Easy to talk yourself into any kind of trade when you've missed a couple of winners. I'm assuming show how simple it is, but anyone can prove it over 3-4 months yet. Have a show of everyone. Even if it helps one person, happy days. Yeah, nice service, man. That'd be cool. That'd be cool. I still need to I am planning on getting people on. I haven't forgotten. Life's just been a little bit hectic for me recently, so yeah, so we'll get people on at some point. Head's just been fucking hardly any YouTube videos lately. I think it's been about 3 weeks, since I uploaded. Man, it's bloody hot in this room. Set 2 trades, max a day, and set a drawdown, which means you can last week without blowing. Go to manually switch off, become systematic. Yep. Definitely a good way to do it, Lewis. Yeah, there's nothing worse than being up on the day than taking a loss and being back to break even. Or even worse, down on the day. Bum, bum, bum. We are pushing up. But it's really strong conviction and rules or nothing. Yeah, you do seem to have got better with the emotion side of things, Taco. I feel like the last week or so. Just the way you're speaking sounds a lot healthier, I think. Just good, man. Getting a little bit of resistance at this level, aren't we? Can we push through it? Appreciate it, bro. No worries, Taco, man. No worries. Oh. Getting that little rejection. Are we gonna keep sending off, or is this just an intermediate resistance? Trump's tweeting again. Trillions of dollars already been taken in on tariffs, apparently. Big numbers. I think it'll retest 790. You reckon? Nasdaq. Yes, I think you're potentially right. I mean, anyone can be right at any time. 792 would be a potential take profit for me. I found an entry yet. Yeah, I don't know if at least this morning's going to be long target kind of day. I feel like it could be a bit choppy, to be honest. When we started the session, I was eyeing up all-time highs, but I don't know. I feel like it looks quite weak. I mean, to be fair, ES looks quite strong. We haven't obviously taken the CPI news candle. There's literally just a retracement into it, so yeah, we could look higher, but I don't know. I think if we get comfortably above 439 on ES and get some 5-minute closes, I think we could be looking for all-time highs, but I'm on. Yeah, I know that tackle. I know that one. Oh, they'll do new highs. I'm only watching though yet. Oh, I'll come into the session liking the idea of new highs. I think it's just Nasdaq looks a lot weaker than ES does. I think that's why. I'm looking at Nasdaq and being like, getting a bit put off by it, but ES is looking a lot stronger. And I mean, realistically, the news with CPI was good, really, as expected. Nothing, no major scary things. So yeah, that's no reason why we shouldn't just carry on pushing up. It just feels a little bit choppy, so maybe we hit the highs of the day again and then come back into the range. But yeah, tackle. I think targeting high of day is a good take profit, because yeah, we could blast through and keep going to all-time highs and absolutely smash it, but we could also just fall back into the range, couldn't we? So has bounced hard from that news low, yeah. And yeah, I mean, on ES we haven't even got to the news low, so sort of the buying opportunity I was looking for, we didn't quite get there. Trump apparently is saying the tariffs have not caused inflationary or any other problems for the nation. Yeah, apparently there's no impact on the nation at all because of tariffs. I think it's going to range now. Yeah, there's definitely that potential. I think with the good CPI news, I think everyone's going to be looking for all-time highs. So more reason for it to not get there. You know, if I was in longs, I'd be looking to take profits at 792 like taco. Because I'm not convinced yet. time is it? 25 past 3. Just 25 past 10 in New York. Well, I won't get one of them. I need to get a clock. That's got all the different time zones around the world. I need, what is it? New York. Is it Australia they have? Sydney, I think they normally have, don't they? New York, Sydney, and London is what I need. And it got by accident instead of NQ closing. Had an NQ with a funds entry. It was 1 micro. That's alright, not too bad. 1 micro. 7:30 California, is it? Oh yeah, because you're on the other side, aren't you? Blows my mind how big America is. That you literally, was it 4-hour difference? Is that right? The biggest difference. I've got an auntie that lives in Vancouver, and yeah, the time difference from say Vancouver to Nova Scotia is like mad. London Open is exactly at midnight, is it? Yeah. Obviously, London Open for me is 8 AM. Yeah, I think we're quite well positioned really to be trading. You can do the London. You can, if you really wanted to, trade Asia. Get up a few hours earlier. The only thing that's not really doable is Asia Open, because that's like 11 PM Asia Open. But you've got London Open, and then you've got New York Open, and then New York PM is not doable for me, at least anyway. Too late for me. Market closes at 9 PM, I think. New York closed 9 PM for me. And yeah, it's too late for me. If I could, I'd only trade London. Get the trends seem more clear. Yeah. I don't know, say that. I think you can get decent trending days on London, and they are pretty clean. But they're just not as frequent, I don't think, as New York. So as long as you're good at sort of knowing when it's a trend and when it's not a trend, I think you'd be fine on London. But it's just if your entry model was to enter at the start of the trend, and if you don't end up breaking out, it's can get a bit choppy sometimes. NQ's above 763 and retest the zone. I'm getting in full positions to the high with my full trade, but will be sort of nice. Taco, all the best for you, mate. All the best. 763. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that would that'd put you above previous day value area high. Previous day value area high is 765. So yeah, if we break out and then retest that, it's good from a volume profile point of view, I think. The projections entry criteria though, struggling hard. He's taking the previous high on the 1 hour time frame. No, I don't think so, mate. No, this is ES on the hour. Wow, this is micros. Let me actually switch to minis, because that can be different sometimes. Yeah, no, it's the same. And yeah, we've got a little further than NQ to go to all-time highs. Half hour till the close of this bar. Looks like it's running out of steam. Yeah, we have we're definitely struggling. I mean, look at the wicks we're getting here. This zone we're struggling, and it looks like we're coming down a little bit now as well. I mean, the only thing that I'm really interested in, I'm not interested in another tap of the point of control. Interested in value area low, and I think that'd probably be it for me. I wouldn't hate the idea of a retest of value area high, because it's also the point of control as well, current day point of control. We've also just been chopping around here all day, running through, running back up, running through, so doesn't give me conviction that we're going to hold it enough to trade from it. Oh. So we got bought up quite quickly there, didn't we? So definitely a little battle going on at this level. Give you usual old stream videos as a visual trade journal. To be honest, I don't really watch my streams too much. When I was doing the weekly videos more often, obviously I'd have to edit all my trades and then upload it weekly. So I'd use it then as like a little journal. Sort of I'd be able to sort of go back and as I'm editing it, I can sort of see, yeah, you fucked up there, shouldn't have taken that, blah, 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 whatever. But I haven't been very good at the weekly videos recently. Obviously I do keep my, just a journal, but yeah, I don't normally take screenshots or anything like that. Because I'm lazy, to be honest. I should do, but yes, actually going back and then reviewing them, I find is unrealistic. In the sense of, I know that I won't do that. I think it's a good habit to get into, and I think if it's something that you're interested in doing, I'd definitely recommend recording your screen while you trade, and then at the weekend, at the end of the week, go back and just review every single trade. You don't have to record your whole session. If you're only taking like one trade a session, just hit the record button as you're getting into a position, and then at the weekend, just go back and review all your trades. Just have a watch of them, see if you were taking them again, see if anything you would change. It's a good habit to be in. I downloaded OBS because I thought it'd be easier, but yeah, right, I never watched them. Yes. To go back and actually then watch them. Depends on sort of who you are as a person, but yeah, for me it was unrealistic. I'm never going to go back and purposely watch them. But if you're wanting to, I'd recommend it because it's a good idea and it is helpful, I think. But yeah, the reality of it is you're probably not going to. It also depends on how much you trade as well. If you take 20 trades a session, then there's probably not really much point. If you're doing one trade a session, 2 trades a session, it's a lot easier, a lot more manageable, isn't it? TradeDay for the win. Yes, I've not long got that. I didn't even realise it was a thing, to be honest. I mainly got it for backtesting. Because I've always backtested on FX replay and thought it was shit. So I tried TradeDay for the backtesting and loved it. But then yeah, I realised the journals are really good as well. I have actually cancelled it today though, because I was doing the higher tier one because of the I like to have loads of different playbook options to list down as my trades and stuff. I think I've got about fucking 15. You know what I mean? But you're trying new stuff. I want to get statistics on every single possible variant of a strategy, so I've got like 15 different playbooks. And I think for the essentials plan, the cheapest one, you can only have 3, which isn't really ideal. So I cancelled it today, and I'm gonna I'm making my own one. I've got my own one anyway, but I'm making my own one that I can track strategies as well, because for me I find that really helpful. So it would just make me pull my finger out and get that made. Wanted it so bad. This right there. Close above. Yeah, we're definitely having a battle here, aren't we? Close 7-6. 7-6-2, 7-5, and I said 7-6-3. Yeah, we're definitely having a battle here. Definitely got a bit boring, isn't it? Yeah, I think definitely in hindsight today, I should have been taking that previous day point in control. I wasn't paying attention, so I didn't see it. I missed the entry, but even if I was, I don't know if I'd have been loving it, because we would come down very aggressively from a Mr. Trump speech, tweet, or whatever the fuck it was. Yeah, it would have been a winner, but... $76325, close above on Gucci. 763. So does that count or not? Because that closed on the level, didn't it? Well, there's another Fed man speaking now. Oh, tariffs limited effect on inflation as a reason to keep policy on hold, not an opportunity to cut rates. Just baited me, it was 2 seconds before the close, so I entered and it closed below, so now I'm in a bad position. Yeah, the trouble is we're very range bound at the minute. We never know, mate. We might break up to the upside. Growth remains solid and inflation remains too high. Inflation isn't even that bad. What is it, like 0.1% over what they want it to be, basically, isn't it? On the month-to-month basis. You trade on your other account today? I'm trading a challenge account and trying something new. I just want to sort of try it out off stream first. And yeah, I've taken 2 trades on that. And I'm up about 29 points on that, so on the Nasdaq. Yeah, I don't know when I'll get that on the stream, maybe possibly next week. But yeah, no trades doing the volume profile today, nothing on the funders, nothing on the other challenge account I've got that I'm doing volume profile on. Telling you the Fed will fuck Trump until the end. Just purely out of spite. I see no possibility that the impact of tariffs on prices will be known over the next few months. They're literally like, they're trying to predict. It's getting on my nerves now, and I don't normally give a shit about anything. They're just continuously saying, oh yeah, tariffs are going to affect inflation, tariffs are going to affect inflation. There's no data to suggest that it is. But they're still expecting it is, and they're changing, doing their, making their decisions based on their predictions, not what's actually in front of them. I can actually understand how Trump's getting pissed off. But I mean, if the Fed decides not to cut rates in September, I think we'll get a little sell-off, I think. Trump needs to refinance $9 trillion worth of debt this year if the rate drops by 0.5. Yeah, that'd make a massive difference. But yeah, are they gonna do it? Insane, isn't it? power back to the end. Again. Yeah, I literally wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, that's why I said I'm all out in September, because if they cut rates, I feel like it'd be a sell the news event. Markets would drop anyway slightly. If they don't cut rates, markets would drop. Like, I mean, it's just the only sensible decision is to get out. Close position, so I feel more comfortable since I shouldn't have been in yet. That close makes a big difference, yeah. No, that's good, man. That's good. I think as well, when you like realise it's range bound, you don't want to be longing at the top of the range, because then the only option is a breakout. At least if you're long from the bottom of the range, at least you're getting a bit more better risk to reward entry wise and stuff, aren't you? Then if we end up breaking out to the downside, at least you're not in too deep. Cool, but you're glad you closed. We just come back and retested the previous day point of control on Nasdaq. Is it gonna hold? Is it gonna hold? Nice rejection right off the first buy pivot. Nicely, nice, man. I was going to ask Lewis if you're being good. You said you were done for the day. Are you still done for the day, or are you trading? But I know you'll be. I know you'll be done. You're very disciplined, didn't you? Oh yeah, I'm done. Good man. Good man. All right. How's the news looking for the rest of this week? Pretty boring day tomorrow news-wise. More Fed members speaking, so that could be potentially market moving if they're talking about potential rate cuts or not potentially rate cutting. PPI on Thursday. And core retail sales on Friday, and the consumer sentiment on Friday as well. That'll be at 10 AM. So yeah, pretty boring Wednesday, but Thursday and Friday look a bit more interesting. So maybe another choppy day tomorrow. Who knows? Who knows? So my stop for the one marker I entered and trailed, so I'm glad I didn't take the whole loss. Nice man. So I thought you closed it. Thought you closed it. Got a house extension to pay for. Just been quoted 100k from probably we had an offer last week. Crazy man, Jesus. That can't be. Is that double story? That can't be a single story extension, surely. I'll get a few quotes, man. Single, what? Mate, that's got to be a case if he just didn't want the job. That's got to be a case if he didn't want the job. I was Googling it not too long ago, and that is way off of where it should be, I think. Average single story extension cost. Basic extension might cost around 27,000, while higher quality one could be close to 41,000. Obviously, depends on the size that you've got. 9.5 meters by 4 meters. Someone we know. Okay, you got 2 other quotes. And what? What's going on? Surely not. 145k. Mate, I'll come and do it for 50. I don't know if it'll be stood at the end, but I'll give it a go. Fucking hell. Do you live in London? I'll do it for 70 and some trading tip. Sorry if I just shouted down the mic then, but that's insane, man. $100k full quote, predicted to be around 40k as there is plenty, and I will do our source materials, etc. It's a big extension though, to be fair. Yeah, 9.5 meters by 4 meters, that is quite big, to be fair, isn't it? What is that in square meters? I can never work out very well. My keyboard's fucking dying. According to Google AI, it's 38 square meters. And also according to Google, it should be between 1,250 and 4,000 per square meter. So 4,000 times, what did I say? 38. 152,000. Yeah, okay. It's obviously just the size of it. You obviously got too big of a house to put an extension on, mate. Yeah, I mean, even if you get the cheap quote, 47,000 is the cheap quote. Full plumb electric, save 40k. But yeah, shit. This k per square meter. It's obviously cheap for expensive for Brazil as well. Saying now no entry. It's always a way, Taco. It's always a way. You're building on Manhattan. Must have that premium concrete. Then you're picking a garden here. Okay, let's have that. Oh, that's pretty big to be fair. Plenty of room. Lovely fucking house, man. What's that, garage as well, was it, on the side? Nice size shed. I'd get a fence straight up along that neighbour's side, mate. You don't want them peeping on you while you're sunbathing naked. Lovely, man. Keep asking to put a button grid on it, hence why I'm not doing on trading. Premium water to mix it. $600 per square meter, that's mad, isn't it? Not doing all that fancy shit. Ladies 80 next door might treat her. Mate, you'll kill her off early. waiting for all the reports to come back. Should need good glasses. Oh, savage. So I suppose all the if surveying that comes back good, that's you buying it then, is that right? All being well. Happy days, man. Congratulations. Fingers crossed for you. My house 2016 was 270 square meters of building area. I think we spent at the time converting to dollars around 100k. Man, that's not bad for a house build. I think it's that bar. Did you get in, Taco? I don't think there was an entry for you. So kind of brooking it. Also can't wait to start working on it. Great time for us to buy, and the village houses don't come up very often, and this is perfect time. And nice, man, nice. Yeah, it's real adult stuff in it. Buying somewhere. Especially if it's like your forever home as well. If that's where you want to be forever. Kind of makes it more serious and it more important to get it right. Dude, ditch this expensive ass country, come to Brazil. I'm telling you guys. I would, mate, but one, I can't be asked to learn another language. And two, I don't think I'll be able to convince the missus to either. But yeah, it's insane that. I wouldn't mind Spain. Spain seems a bit more realistic price wise. I don't think it's quite going to shit just yet. I'd have to learn Spanish, but I'll have to do that when it just is what it is. Yeah, it broke 76325 and retested. Okay. We're pumping up now, so fingers crossed for your taco. Looking strong. It looks like it was just a retest of that little chop zone that we was in. I think I'm going to cancel out on this bar down here before I forget about it. Forever house or investment. Nice, it's nice. Yeah, it looks fucking ideal, man. Looks ideal. I sent you a link. Okay, here we go, here we go. Oh, bollocks. I didn't know if you wanted me to show that, Leo, so I quickly got rid of it. Not quick enough, but... What if looking to trade this current home this one? So more expensive. 167,000 ocean views, man. thought that was a giant table. Then it's just obviously it's a mirror. Nice little TV system set up there. Oh mate, that looks nice. Lovely view. Little barbecue area outside. Built in as well. That's fucking cool, man. Walk-in wardrobe. Mate, it's a fucking second living room. Mate, you're fucking living at large for this, man. Pool table, it's getting better and better. Oh, this is downstairs, is it? Oh, this is like the common area, I think. Okay, yeah. How many? Oh, 3 bedrooms. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Nice, man. We'll have 167,000. Yeah, mate, that's fucking decent. Probably top 10 most expensive cities in the country. That's common area. For a brief secondly, I thought the apartment just kept going and going. There was a second living room, there was a pool table, there was a gym. Thought you had the whole floor to yourself. Then I realised it was the common area, the shared bits. I was there, I would have been taking a different entry model, looking back, but I was stuck at the first idea and then right at the retest of the zone. So now break even on day. Break even's good, man. Break even's good. Considering in this chop as well. NQ is, I think, a lot worse. Yeah, this was not pretty. Up 180 over 2 days on the personal account, $72 a day on day 1, 111 on day 2. Nice, man, nice. Happy days, good day then, good day. Definitely told myself out of the trade, 792 and 797 got hit. Ah, doesn't matter though, mate, doesn't matter. Good thing is you're calling it right in the first place, wouldn't you? Just because you taught yourself out of it, it doesn't. Obviously, it's annoying and something to learn from, but at least you had the right idea in the first place. Silver lining. I think I'm going to call it a day there, guys. No levels up here for me, unless we fall back down maybe in the PM session. Yeah, sorry it's a bit of a boring one, no trade today, but yeah, if I catch anything in the PM session, I'll send it over in the Discord. Yeah, fingers crossed a bit more interesting tomorrow. Catch you a bit. See you later, Lewis, mate. See you later, Benson. I think it'll be cool. See you later, Taco. Yeah, cheers all. And yes, I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good one. See you later.